This area here burned last year, and we scattered some seeds and we planted some trees to see how they will do. And we see here that the oak tree is doing great. And we also see this young almond tree, fantastic growth. And then this one here, the almond tree, I have never seen anything like it, this kind of growth. And here we have, I think it's a plum tree, which is also very healthy. In general, what we planted here has done well. This is the arugula, which is self-seeding, and we have more young trees growing down there. In general, the conclusion is that in burned out areas, the soil is not toxic, and that we can plant trees. Very encouraging, and very, very happy to see these trees growing.